Hey guys, it's your girl Mia Ashanti, and if you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying something new. We're going to be doing a bubble ponytail as you saw in the beginning of this video. I am starting on wash hair. I actually washed my hair the night before I did this style, so I'm just taking out my wash day braids, and I'm going to go in with some moisturizer right after this. This is the Main Nutrients Mango Moisturizing Cream. Main Nutrients is my very own hair care line, so if you would like to get you some Main Nutrients products, make sure you use the code CEO at checkout for money off your purchase. I'll have the link down in the description that'll automatically have the discount attached. So now that that moisturizing cream has been thoroughly distributed through my hair, I'm just going in and spraying some water around the perimeter and using a detangling brush to smooth out my hair. I feel like this gets the curls very smooth at the top, so you won't have any lumps or bumps. As you can see, I put my hair in a base ponytail. This just helps me smooth my hair better. So I put on my Eco Gel. I like to use the olive oil, the basic one, and brush my hair up into this ponytail. I just love doing my hair this way because I just feel like it's so much easier to grip my hair. I just slide that original ponytail back and it just makes the hair clump together, so I'm able to pull my hair through so much easier. Now that my hair is secured in its ponytail, I like to use a comb just to smooth out any lumps that the brush may have missed. And I'm using some of the Mold and Hold Foaming Mousse from my hair care line Main Nutrients. And I'm just putting this on. I really should have tied my hair down after I did this, but I didn't. I just put that on to secure some of my flyaways. I'm going to touch it up again later, and you'll see that in the video. Moisturized hair is key, so I am going in with some more mango moisturizing cream to my ends to make sure my ends are moisturized, because if you want your hair to grow, you have to make sure your ends are staying hydrated. Without it, your ends will become dry and brittle, and that's why you're not retaining any length. For this ponytail, I will be using Passion Twist hair. I ordered this hair off of Amazon, and this is what it looked out of the pack. I'm running my fingers through the hair just to give it a more natural look. I want the curls to become more frizzy and look more like my natural curl pattern. Once the hair starts to look more natural, how I like it, I am securing a ponytail holder around it. I don't really know how to explain it, but I'm just looping it through itself just so I can attach it to my ponytail. And you just want to wrap this ponytail holder around like normal. I did twist my hair up just to have it out of the way, but I am going to be having it out in this ponytail. So now that it is loose, I'm going to brush it out just so it can make my curls pop a little bit and make sure it's detangled. So what you want to do is move that hair on top of your natural hair just to kind of hide it underneath. So what you want to do now is take a small rubber band and create a ponytail at the top of your hair. So once you pull that through, you will end up with your first bubble. I love the realness behind this video because I literally was struggling. But don't give up. Once you get the hair through, you'll be perfectly fine. Just keep fighting with it. So next thing, you just want to keep going down the ponytail with these rubber bands. I'm on my second loop. As you can see, I was struggling and some of my natural hair was sticking out, but I just pulled it down and secured it underneath that rubber band. We are on our third bubble and there is no more natural hair into this part of the ponytail, so you are going to have to fluff it out so it can match those top two ponytails better. you are finished, you'll be able to see the sizes of your bubbles. Some people like to make theirs go smaller as they go down. I kind of went for that kind of look, but for majority of it, my bubbles stayed a consistent size. When I went through the first time, I only wrapped my rubber bands around once, so I did go back through with a second rubber band and just wanted to have some extra security on these bubbles to make sure it lasts longer than just a day. Since I didn't leave a piece of hair out at the beginning, I just took a small piece of crochet hair and added some gel to it to make it look more neat. And then I'm going to wrap that piece of hair around my ponytail. I used a bobby pin to secure the back, and once that was secure, I continued wrapping the hair around and then secured it again with the bobby pin. Now I'm going in with the Main Nutrients Edge Pomade just to lay down these last few flyaways before the style is complete. And you can never skip those edges, so I'm about to do 2 big swoops on the side and then we're gonna be done. This is the final results of my curly bubble ponytail. This style was so quick and easy to do. I definitely will be doing it again in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!